This video is to help you to access feedback on your various assignment for your online or virtual courses. Feedback is very important to help you know specifically what you may have missed on an assignment, as well as to help you to avoid mistakes on future assignments. To access feedback, we would select the grades link in the navigation bar, which will bring up all of your grades thus far in your course. For this specific course, we have 3 grades posted. One for a discussion board assignment entitled Orientation Assignment Number 1, one for a Dropbox submission, for this case it is a lab report, and one for a exam or a quiz. For this video, we will only focus on the discussion board assignment entitled Orientation Assignment Number 1. This was a sample assignment set up for this course, and all it asked of the students was to complete a discussion board post stating your favorite food and why that is your favorite food. For my sample assignment, upon submission, I received 1 out of 2 total points. You can also see my weighted grade, which was a 5 out of 10, and it shows your overall grade from the assignment here. In this case, this is listed as a percentage. In some cases, you may also see this as a letter grade instead. To the right, you can see overall feedback, which is posted from your instructor to your specific assignment. For my submission, my instructor posted the feedback, you only included your favorite food. For my post, I left out my reasoning behind that and only had included my favorite food, and my instructor provided feedback on that. You can also see below this a link for View Graded Rubric. Some instructors will include overall feedback. Some instructors will include a graded rubric, and some instructors may include both. If your instructor has provided a graded rubric, you can access that rubric by clicking the blue link here, which will bring up the overall rubric for my assignment. In this case, the rubric had 2 grading criteria. The first was, did the student include their favorite food? As you can see from my grades here, I achieved the first level in that I did include my favorite food, and you can tell that it has been selected with the blue check mark in the blue box, which indicates that I received 1 point for including my favorite food. The second criteria is, did the student include their reasoning? For my post, I did not. So in this case, I received level 1 or 0 points for this assignment. The criteria will depend on the assignment that your instructor has posted and the grading criteria that they are using to grade those assignments. For this example, this is very simplistic with only 2 very easy criteria. Most instructors will include many more criteria with many more levels to award points for various different assignments. Below my criteria, I can see my total score, which also reflected the same score in my grades, and an overall score, in this case, out of 3 levels. Level 3 would have meant that I had achieved 2 points out of a possible 2 points. Level 2 would indicate that I received 1 out of a possible 2 points, and level 1 would note that I received 0 out of a possible 2 points. After you have completed viewing your rubric, you can click Close to close the window and return back to your overall grade section.